Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist, autonomous braking, rear view camera, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, audio radio, touchscreen display. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.